Hi, Sarah here. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing video. This is the Mine the Scrap January kit, and apologies if you can hear Peppa Pig in the background. My little boy is watching it while I film this. So, let's open it up. In here I've got the mixed media add-on, the embellishment add-on, the main kit, the pattern paper and cardstock add-on, as well as the black cardstock that I always order extra. And I will take all the wrappers off everything and show you each bit one by one. Okay, so to begin with, I've got my 5 black pieces of cardstock. This is an option that you can get where you can choose to add on some white or black cardstock, so that is just what I have there. In the main kit you will receive one nice thick white cardstock which can take a lot of mixed media, a pink cardstock, sorry about the lighting, it's a bit iffy because of the weather, and this one is called Cotton Candy and it's a basil, I think, yep, basil cardstock. It's a smooth one. And we also have a Swiss dot one which is in black, but as you can see there's the dots on it. I think it's licorice, this colour, if I remember rightly. Can't find it. Oh no, pepper this one's called. And that is what you get in the main kit. You get white, pink and black, and because I get the paper add-on I've got another white, pink and black. So next up, the pattern papers. Our first paper is by Vicky Bouton, All Good Things, and this one's called Pick For You, and it has a watercolour effect floral. And then as I have the add-on, you do get one, but I've got the add-on, so this is the reverse. An orange dot there. Next up, crepe paper, Good Vibes. This one's called Life Goals. There's some leaves on one side. Oops. Then the reverse is this pink ledger date thingy. Next up we have Pink Paisley Wild Child, the Pink Paisley Wild Child number 5, and it's these flowers on this side. And then the reverse is this diamond pattern. Next up, crepe paper Good Vibes. The side has got some little birdies on it. This one's called All Good, and then the reverse of that is a neutral brown with a dot. Next up we have Vicky Bouton, All Good Things. This one's the Little Things. It's got a bit of a distressed effect all over there, or watercoloury. And the reverse of that is this nice blue with lots of splashes and a nice branding strip, which is the reverse side. And finally we have Vicky Bouton, All Good Things again. This one's called Soul Food, and it's just a big watercolour pattern piece there. And then the reverse of this one is a nice blue with a dot. It's a really pretty, that purpley indigo-y blue, maybe. I'm not sure if that's the right colour. And then you've got your watercolour branding strip on there as well. So that is the papers. This is what you get if you have the paper add-on. So you get one of each if you just get the main kit. And then now on to the rest of the main kit. First off, our thickers this month are these ones here. They're gold foam and they're 2 different sizes of capital letters with some numbers, etc. there. And these ones are called Together. So we get those in the main kit. We also get some die cut icons, and these are Vicky Bouton mixed media, 50 pieces, and I won't take them out, so I'll just hold this here for a moment. There's lots of birds and flowers. The flowers have got like a bit of a watercolour effect on them, and there's just lots of nature kind of things, flowers and leaves and birds, feathers, and then a few little tags and title type pieces and some arrows. So we get those in the main kit as well, and finally in the main kit we get these journaling cards by Bo Bunny. I think this is just a selection of them, and there are 62 by 2, 23 by 3, 16 4 by 4. So they're very good if you do Project Life or like to do grid layouts. They're all square side type ones. So that is the main kit. So moving on, this is the embellishment add-on. So in our embellishment add-on we have these crepe paper stickers, 87 stickers, and that's the Good Vibes collection. I'll just slowly go down this side. So lots of cute little characters on there, some label stickers towards the bottom, and then on the reverse, nice retro cassette there. It's quite a tropical vibe to this one. Some cute houses, some date bits. So we get that. We also get some Bramble Fox, these cute badges here, and there's their website in case you wanted to go and check out all the other things they do there. So we have those very cute embellishments there, and we also get some frames from the Good Vibes collection as well, crepe paper, 4 frames, and they've got pom-poms on them all. If I hold them up to the side you can see different colours, and they're 2 different sizes. I think it's 2 glittered and 2 craft, but they will be fun to try and use. Finally, the mixed media add-on, we get these numbers with texture on them that can be altered by Heidi Swap. And I think there's a couple of each in there. There's 21 pieces. And to go with that, we also get, I think it's half a pack of Vicky Bouton crayons. I think these work like gelatos or then Prima pastels. I don't know if they're like gelatos or the pastels. They do work slightly differently, but I think they are ones that react with water. So I'll be having a play with them soon in the video. So that is the mixed media add-on. And oh, you may get them for, you may get a different for the rest of the pack. So that is the kit for the month of January from Mind the Scrap. I'll leave links below so you can go check out the shop. And as I did in my last haul video, I'm going to now speed up the camera and get everything packed away in a box, which means I will be taking things out of the packages. So you can switch off now if you don't see that. If you do, then obviously I'll be doing that in a second. So thanks for joining me today. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.